Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, to my page. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video today guys, I'll be showing you how to make this simple breakfast, and if this looks like what you're interested in, keep watching. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to cut my plantain into slices, like smaller sizes, and that's exactly what I'm doing here right now guys. So next I'm going to place that in a bowl, then add some salt, sprinkle some salt and mix that to combine. Alright, so the next thing, you're going to fry it, and that's it guys. So I believe you guys can do that. So next I'll add some vegetable into my pan, and also add grated onions, and you just want to saute that for about 2 minutes till it's translucent or golden brown. Then the next I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes, and guys, at this point I ran out of gas, so I had to change to my short gas to continue the cooking process. And here I've already added the pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, and just let that cook for some while. Then the next thing, I had my green beans, and you can skip that if you don't have green beans anyway. So yeah, so after letting this cook for about a minute, I'm just going to add my whisked eggs, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. Then just want to mix that a little bit. Then about a minute later, I'm just going to go ahead and flip to the other side so that everything can cook through, and that's exactly what I'm doing here guys. So the video today is just like all over the place, but I didn't allow me running out of gas to stop me from continuing filming, because I've already started. So I hope this video also encourage you not to give up, even when some things don't work out the way you plan it. And here's our egg sauce guys, so yummy, so delicious. Then I pair that with some coleslaw and enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will also see you in my next one. Bye.